Welcome back, everybody. Chad from the right line. Today we're at Superstition Hobbies. Joseph and I needed to do some wheeling. So I've been kind of bummed this last week. Chewy's been in the shop, and turns out there could potentially be a transfer case issue. So we're hoping to get Chewy back this week. But anyways, Joseph and I went to Superstition Hobby to blow off a little bit of steam, have some fun, chill out with some other cool people. See if this Bronco can make it. Well, you've already been up there a couple times.
Yeah, I made it up 3 times today. So right here, go to the right.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, that's the same line I take.
You got to get to the left right here.
Yeah, it's the same line I take. I get right about there, and I can't get there. I get the wheels up in the air and can't make it any further. This way.
Oh, it takes patience. I don't have it. I just want to get it.
How that feels. Oh!
Yeah!
Wow! Generally get past this, no problem. I get to the top, no problem. As soon as I get to that top ledge, I'm up on the back wheels.
Or it falls this way, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to help there.
With no foams, and it was still no good.
See how these flips?
Oh, this says plenty of flex. Plenty of flex in the tire.
Oh no, yeah, it's fine.
You guys make it look easy.
Oh, great. Oh, dude, I'm standing right here.
Sorry. to get more weight.
I don't need to climb Mission Impossible.
No breaking anything.
No breaking anything. Coming here, Joe and I like to come here pretty often. Had a pretty shitty week. Chewy's still in the shop. Oh, we thought we'd come here Sunday and have some fun. Watch the master get it here. That's heavy. All right, folks, we are done. I have pretty much given up on Mission Impossible. I'm just done with it. I don't need to do it anymore. What do you think?
I think it's impossible.
Well, I was hoping for a win today. I've been at this obstacle, I can't tell you for how long, and I'm just done with it. Anyways, it's been fun. We like coming out here and having a good time. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. First time with the GoPro on the truck, and the first time we haven't broken anything.
Yes.
This is the first trip here we haven't broken anything. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please consider a like, comment, or share. We'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.